Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios, and today we're standing in front of a beautiful Olds Cutlass Convertible F85. Pretty rare car here. Nice, solid, original car. You know what? We're doing this video for you today so you can make a great buying decision on your next classic or street rod car here. And also, we carry 100% feedback on eBay. So come on up, let's take a look and take you for a ride. Under the hood we have a little powerful 330 motor, power steering, power brakes, just a real fun cruiser. Let's take a look at the body, the paint, the interior, and take you for a little cruise. You're looking at a beautiful Olds Cutlass here. It's got like a teal color paint. The trim has some marks on it. Overall the paint is in good shape. Doors all open and close well. It's sitting on some beautiful American Racing rims with some beautiful BF Goodrich tires. Back bumper has a little bit of haze to it, not much. Dual exhaust. Just a real rare piece here, you guys. It's a piece of history right here. Look at this trunk. Beautiful trunk, painted. Look at this. Really, really nice. An absolute beauty here, guys. Don't be shy. Call me today. 248-974-9513. Check out this beautiful interior, white, black carpet. You got your floor console. You got the RPM gauge. Just a real nice cruiser, guys. In good shape, original car. This will make anybody a great little cruising car. So don't forget, you can call Tom at any time, 248-974-9513 to get your dream in your driveway. Alright, Aubrey, let's go for a ride in this hot little 64 Cutlass F85 Convertible. What a nice driving car this is with the power steering, power brakes. This is a fun little convertible that you can buy for a reasonable price, have some fun, go to some shows, and accomplish all your goals. Call Tom today at 248-974-9513. Don't forget to go to Vanguard Motor Sales and become social subscribers on YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook, so you can see beautiful units like this before they're offered to the public. And also, go to Classic Car Buying Secrets and download the 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a classic car online. Don't forget, you can always call me and tell me what you're looking for if we don't have what you want, because we get new cars in every day, and one of them is going to be for you. So call Tom today so we can discuss it. And also, if you have any questions regarding this beautiful Cutlass, call me at 248-974-9513. Stay tuned for the next pass at Vanguard Motor Sales.